Hey guys, Nash here. So welcome back to Base Magisk Modules episode number 7. In this series I show you new Magisk modules each week. Now if you don't have Magisk installed in your phone, you can watch a video in I button as well as in description box below. So let's get started. This video is sponsored by NordVPN. If you want to secure yourself online, then use the NordVPN. You can use it on PC, Mac or any mobile. For more info, check the description box below. So the first module is idle speed. So this module will give you great battery life and performance, especially if you're into gaming. So download this module from description and just go to your Magisk and manually install it and then reboot your phone. You don't need to do anything else. Afterwards, you will see huge bump in your performance and your gaming. You'll also get a dedicated app where you can choose to save your battery life or to boost your phone's performance. The next module is font changer. Doesn't matter if you're on stock ROM or if you install a custom ROM. You will always be limited to few fonts that you can choose from. With this module, you will get another amazing 230 fonts. And not only fonts, with this module you get some amazing new emojis also. So after you install this module, just reboot your phone and then go to your display section where you will see these amazing fonts are now installed for you to use. So our next module is for hackers. It's called ColorisLight Hunter. With this module you can install Kali Linux hacking tools in your phone which can perform HTTP tunneling, keyboard attacks. Basically you can even hack your neighbor's Wi-Fi. Though it's not recommended as it's only for educational purpose. With this module you get apps like Kali chroot, ADB shell, F-Droid and many more. To install this, just download ColorisLight Hunter from description, go to your Magisk, install it and reboot your phone. If you want to know more about this, I made a special how to install ColorisLight Hunter and what to do with those apps video. I will drop that video in description. So guys, do you remember the amazing Sony Walkman series? At that time, it was really amazing phones. So if you want to feel some nostalgia and want to install some Walkman apps, then use the next module called Sony Device Dummy. If you install these, then you can install any Walkman apps in your any Android phone, especially Sony Walkman music player. I really miss those times when there was one Nokia N series and in their competition it was Sony Walkman series. Those were some amazing times. So the next module is called App Systemizer. With this module you can make any third-party app a system app. It means your phone will think that that app is a system app and you won't be able to uninstall. And let me show you how to use it. So first of all, download App Systemizer module from Magisk and then reboot your phone and then go to Play Store and download Terminal Emulator. Then open Terminal and type SU. And then you need to grant super user permission. And then type Systemize. And then you will see this kind of list. Now select one to systemize third-party app. So I'm going to type 1 and press enter. And then system is going to scan all the third-party apps. And now we have full list of all the third-party app installed in our phone. And each app is assigned a different number. So type a number which app you want to systemize. So I'm going to type 3 and systemize this app called Cool Wallpapers. And now it's going to ask you where to install. So select 1 and press enter. So now everything is done. Just reboot your phone. And now you will see that app is now a system app and you won't be able to uninstall it. And don't worry, you can completely undo this process. Just go to terminal, type SU again and then type 4 and press enter to revert systemize apps. And here you will see apps that are systemized by this module. Select 1 and press enter and reboot your phone. And now your app is again third-party app. Moving on, if you are bored with your current boot animation, then you can install this module called ColorisLight and get this amazing Razer boot animation in your phone. So with this module, not only you get boot animation, but you get some Razer apps. Now it's up to you if you want to use them or not. While installing, it will ask you if you want to install these Razer apps along with the boot animation. So you want to install some Samsung apps in Xiaomi phone or some OnePlus apps in Samsung phone. Install this next module called XMLPack and you will be able to install any kind of vendor lock apps in any phone. Normally there is a compatibility issue if you install Samsung apps in other phones, but if you install this module, you won't have any problem like that. It basically unlocks vendor apps from Google Play Store like Motorola apps, Samsung apps, LG apps. Really useful if you miss your old phone. So the next module is DNS Cloudflare. You know, sometimes some websites are blocked in your country, like some website based on Bhelpuri. You can't access them because your political leaders block them. Well, with this module you can open any blocked website in your country. With this module you don't need to use any VPN because most VPN are paid nowadays, so save some money. So the next module is Oxyfie. If you can't buy OnePlus phone because they are really expensive nowadays, but want to convert your phone into OnePlus phone without installing a custom ROM, install this module and you will get OnePlus Launcher, OnePlus Gallery, OnePlus Weather, OnePlus Font, OnePlus Boot Animation, basically everything OnePlus in your phone. So you might have seen iPhone users always brag about their emoji system. Well, now you can get latest iOS 12.1 emojis on your Android phone with this module called iOS 12 Emojis. Just download it and reboot your phone, and then in your keyboard it will automatically install all the iOS 12 emojis. So guys, you can download all these modules from description box below. Please like if you appreciate my work on this channel. This is your friend Nas signing out, and I will see you tomorrow.